Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be talking about Ipsy. I did already put all the products on this bag on my face, so if you guys are curious of what's in here, then you'll just have to keep on watching. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription service that comes with 4 to 5 sample to deluxe size samples, and yeah, typically they're cruelty free, not always, but I feel like my bags usually are, so that's awesome. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So first off, please ignore this lovely pimple that decided to join me today. I decided it would be a brilliant idea to try to pop it right before filming, so don't do that. But anyway, jumping right in, the bag this month looks like this. It's super cute. It does come with, let me see if I can find them, 2 markers. Mine are pink and blue. I don't know if everybody got the same colors or not, but you can actually color this, which I think is super fun. I might have my nephew help me color this. We'll see. I think it'd be a fun time, but yeah, that's really cute. The theme this month is create. I thought it said great with an E, and I was like, what's happening? But no, it's create, and it's really cute. And then here's a little paragraph if you guys want to read that. Actually, it's like 3 paragraphs. But yeah, jumping right in, let's go ahead and talk about this guy because this is the only thing I'm not going to be using today, and that is the Skin & Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. It's called Whipped Cleansing Cream, looks like this. It's a pretty decent sample, but if you can tell, like, this is all air. It starts actually like right there, so this is only like half full. But yeah, cleansers are cool. I don't really use them that often. Ooh, it smells really good though. It smells like kind of vanilla-y, I guess, but yeah, so cleansers are cool. I just don't use them that often, but I really should, so yeah. This is cruelty-free, which is awesome. So first thing we're actually going to try, which I have already tried before, this is the Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin, and it's the Pure Cloud Cream. This stuff is really cool. It comes out so weirdly, like, it's a moisturizer, obviously, and it comes out like really thick, like this. Like, it kind of looks almost maybe like shaving cream, but then you just like blend it into the skin and it blends into nothing, and it's one of like the most hydrating things ever. You do have to use quite a bit of product though, I feel, because as soon as you put it on the skin, it just really blends right in, so. But it feels really good. It smells good. It kind of smells almost like citrusy, and it feels really good on the skin. I do really like this moisturizer. I've never purchased the full size, but I think I got another sample of this in some other subscription service at some point in my life, and I did really enjoy it then too. But I have dry skin, so when I say something's hydrating, it's hydrating, and I really like this, and it works really well under makeup too, so that's cool. It is cruelty free, obviously, or I wouldn't be using it, but yeah, there's this little guy. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on some primer. I'm going to be mixing the Smashbox Photo Finish and the Smashbox Radiance, or this is just the regular one. I put this one just in my T-zone, right here, where that ginormous pimple is, and on my nose, just a little bit, just because that's where my pimples are, my pores are larger right there. So I put that there, and then I put the Radiance one all over. I just dropped the lid. We'll get that later. Okay. And the Radiance one looks like that. I just do a couple little dabs all over. Really want to, you know, illuminate that pimple on my face. Smashbox seriously makes some of like the best primers. And I'm pretty sure I also got these in Ipsy at some point, Ipsy or Birchbox, which I'm not subscribed to Birchbox anymore, but I definitely got both of these either in Ipsy or Birchbox, so that's cool. Alright, so next thing in my, drop both of the lids, next thing in my box that we're going to use today, if I can stop dropping things, are this little guy right here. This is the Her Minerals, the Professional Blending Sponge. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on with this. It says use the pointed end for under eyes, around the nose and mouth. Use the wider base for cheeks, chin, and forehead. Apply with a short, swift patting motion. So it doesn't say to wet this, so we're not going to. So just try this out. I'm not a huge sponge person. Like, I prefer brushes to do my foundation. so it's probably going to sway my opinion a little bit. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 00A Porcelain. Yes, I'm fair. Okay, I need a mirror here. We're just going to dab that on and like all over. And then let's just go in, I guess. This might be better for like concealer. Let me try it out for that too. So I feel like it's just kind of, I don't know. I feel like you can kind of see the places that I'm bouncing with the sponge, if that makes sense. Yeah, like it's definitely making the foundation sheerer than what it is, because it's not covering that pimple at all. And normally this foundation covers everything. On me, anyway. Maybe we just need some more. Let's try some more. Get a good healthy pump that time. About that much. Oh, yeah, that's a lot more than we had. Milani foundation smells so weird. That's definitely a lot of product. We're gonna make it work. Definitely covered the pimple better than it did. I feel like I'm reviewing the foundation at this point. I just keep wanting to swipe. I want my brush. I don't know. Okay. I can't do it anymore. We're going to switch over to my brush real quick just to make this go a little bit faster. Can you guys hear my cat? He's seriously in like every video ruining things here lately. Okay. So there's that. Let's go ahead and apply my concealer with this too, just to see if it works any better for that. And we'll try like the pointed side under the eye like it recommends. Sorry if you guys hate it when I use the viewfinder or whatever you want to call it. It's my phone, so as my mirror, but you know, sometimes we gotta do. Okay, so we're going to take the pointed side now and try to get right up in there. Oh, okay. Okay. So for foundation, I'm not crazy about it just because I feel like it takes longer. There's my cat. And so I feel like it takes longer and I just prefer a brush. But for concealer, I'm liking it. Okay. Yeah, that looks really nice actually. Okay. So I like the sponge. Sweet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my concealer and I will do some more makeup and be right back to finish up the products in my Ipsy. And we are back. Let's go ahead and talk about the last two products in here. The first one that we pull out is this Winky Lux. I think it's a highlighter if I remember correctly. Yes, it's a highlighter. That would be bad if it wasn't because I've already done the rest of my makeup. I do enjoy the brand Winky Lux. We got a kit and palette in the last BoxyCharm last month that I really liked. Or maybe that was 2 months ago. I don't remember. This is the packaging. Looks like this. Super cute. If it would focus. As best as it's gonna get. It's really cute. And then the inside packaging looks like this. Really cute. What's this called? This is the Powder Lights Holographic Highlighter. It's not going to be holographic, you guys. But you open it up, and it's just this little baby guy right here. I have already swatched it. It looks like this when you swatch it. It's not like the... Actually, for a powder product, that's pretty close to holographic, in my opinion. this isn't going to be my favorite highlighter, I can already tell you that, just because it's like a holographic highlighter. And I'm kind of over it, but we are going to go ahead and try it out, and it feels really nice. It's really like creamy. We're using a Miss Glam tapered highlighting brush for this, so we're just going to go for it. First I need to dust away this little bit of fallout that's still on my face for whatever reasoning. Normally I don't have fallout with this eyeshadow palette, which was the Tarte one, but today for some reason I did, so. Okay, that's pretty. Definitely has a pink pull to it. It's kind of more subtle than I thought it would be, so I'm okay with it. Yeah. It's very subtle, actually, which I'm okay with because I didn't want like a blinding pink highlight today. Go ahead and put some on the Cupid's bow. Alright, I don't hate that as much as I thought I would. It's cute. I mean, it's not like the most blinding highlight in the world, which again I'm okay with, but yeah, it's cute. So there's that. And the final product in the bag today is a mascara, and this is by the brand Ico. It's called the Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go. Give your lashes a lift with Give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume, curl, and definition. Squeeze me to coat brush. Okay, so you like squeeze the mascara. Oh, weird. You can feel the brush in there. Okay, weird. The wand looks like, oh, looks like that. Yeah, we need to do some more squeezing apparently. That's the weirdest mascara I've ever seen. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and try that. It is a fiber mascara, which I don't know if I'm super excited about, but okay. Take everything back I just said. Oops, I got it on my eyeshadow. That's cute. It's a very wet formula, so if you don't like that, you're probably not going to like this. I don't really see the fibers that it's talking about. Maybe a little bit, I don't know. But I'm okay with that because fiber mascaras aren't something I'm typically into. Let's try the bottom lashes. I also did not curl my lashes before applying this mascara, if you guys are wondering. So everything that it's doing on its own. I don't typically curl my lashes like ever, so. It's really nice on the lower lashes. Okay. I don't hate it, you guys. Let's go ahead and go in for a second dip so we can do the other eye. The whole squeezing the tube thing is kind of weird to me. Like, I feel like I'm going to forget to do it and be mad because there's no product on it. But yeah, I do like the shape of the wand too. It's very curved, so it's easy to get right in there and get close to the lashes. Or to the lash line, I mean. Obviously, you get close to the lashes. Yeah, I'm digging this mascara, you guys. Kind of sad that it's so small. Oops. That's the only downfall with this mascara is it's very wet, so it's very easy to get it all over. Because I've now gotten it on both eyes. You guys, I like this mascara a lot. Alright, Ico. Not a brand I was expecting to love. Sweet, alright. So let me grab a spoolie real quick. Here's a hack if you guys didn't already know this, which I'm sure you did, but if you take an eyebrow spoolie, this one's dirty because I'd used it on my brows, and just kind of pull at the mascara while it's a little bit wet, or you can wait till it dries too, I guess, if you want. Then it comes right off. It's being a little stubborn. And then just take whatever brush you used for your transition shade, because that's where I got mine at. So I use this, grab a little bit more, and just buff it right in there. Cool. Okay. So this is the final look, you guys. Let's go ahead and recap real quick. The cleanser I can't really talk about yet because I haven't tried it, but I'm sure it'll be fine. The mascara is bomb. Like, I really, really like this mascara. It definitely gave a lot of lift, a lot of curl, and it's very, very black. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this if it lasts all day. If it lasts all day, I recommend this for sure. What else do we get in here? The moisturizer I really like. I've used it before, like I've said, so I do know that I really enjoy this. I do recommend this for sure if you have dry skin. The sponge I didn't love for foundation just because I feel like it's so small that it takes forever, but for concealer I did really enjoy it. I like the tip because you can really get right in there and right into the nose, so I love that. What else do we get? Did I lose it already? The highlight? The highlight. The highlighter is whatever for me. I'm not crazy about it, but it's okay. So yeah, that is everything I got in this bag today. Let me know down below what you guys got in yours and what you thought of my bag. So yeah, that's everything. Bye guys.